Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all the respected judges. My name is Nur Azira and I will be presenting on behalf of my team from the Faculty of Information and Communication Technology at University Technical Malaysia Melaka. We are proud to present our project titled Histolearn, Transforming History Education through Gamified Mobile Learning Grounded in Cognitive Load Theory. The background of this project is grounded in 21st century education, which emphasizes interactive and technology-driven learning to make lessons more engaging and flexible. Mobile applications now play an important role as effective tool to support active learning, motivation, and accessibility. Building on this, Histolearn was developed by applying cognitive load theory to reduce overload, improve retention, and spark deeper interest in history learning. The problem we address in that history learning is often text-heavy, which leads to low interest, weak retention, and cognitive overload from the unstructured content. The objective of this project is to design an interactive mobile application, Histolearn, applying cognitive load theory to reduce overload, improve comprehension and retention, and also support the engaging history learning. Our methodology combines the development approach, theoretical foundations, technology, and evaluations. Okay, for the development, we use the Scrum framework, which is the Scrum is a flexible and well-suited even for a solo developer. It allows the interactive progress through the small manageable sprints such as creating the user profile, quizzes, and the evaluations. It also supports the user feedback and continuous improvement, which is critical for the educational applications. The design of the Histolearn is grounded in cognitive load theory. We simplify the in-string load by breaking the history content. We reduce the extraneous load with a simple interface, a clear color contrast, and a graphic with the text. And we maximize the German load by including the interactive quizzes and puzzles that build the schemas and the long-term memory. And for the implementations, the application was developed using the Flutter and Dart, which is the cross-platform. This means one code database can run on both Android and iOS. Flutter also supports fast prototyping, back-end integration with the Firebase for the real-time tracking, and a consistent user interface that aligns with the cognitive load theory design principle. Okay, now let me show how the user navigates through the Histolearn applications and how its design is guided by the cognitive load theory. When the student first enter the applications, they begin with selecting or creating an account. After choosing the account, this is how the main interface will look for the user. From here, they can personalize the interface, for example, by changing the color schemes. This feature is designed to reduce the extraneous load by ensuring the layout is clear, consistent, and free from unnecessary distractions. On the main screen, the student can choose a different history module. Each module is divided into the smaller section. This is demonstrate the management of intrinsic load by simplifying complex historical content into a step-by-step lessons that are easier to follow. Okay, after completing the reading, students continue with interactive activities such as the mini games, the puzzles, and the quizzes. These activities are designed to maximize the German load by encouraging the practice, the active engagement, the schema building, and the long-term memory. Finally, the application provides the score and feedback, allowing students to track their progress and reflect on what they have learned. This completes the flow of learning, such as reducing distractions, simplify the content, and maximize the meaningful engagement. Expert evaluation show encouraging results. Teachers highlight this application as functional, informative, and engaging for classroom use. Developers also confirm its usability while suggesting areas for further technical refinement. This indicates the application is already practical for education with room to enhance technical reliability. The learning tests show a statistically significant improvement, with results confirming that Histolearn enhanced student understanding and retention effectively. Histolearn is the first local history application to apply cognitive load theory systematically. Developed with Scrum, expert validation, and classroom feedback, it offers a scalable model that supports engaging and effective learning across subjects. This project has strong potential for commercialization. This project has been submitted to Pusat Pengurusan Kolaborasi RISE UTM for copyright protection, ensuring originality and recognitions. Beyond history, this framework can be scaled to other school subjects, offering value for the art edtech sector. With further development, it opens opportunities for collaboration with school, ministries and research partners. To conclude, Histolearn has successfully applied cognitive load theory in history learning. The finding shows clear improvement in student understanding and retention, supported by positive expert evaluations. While some technical refinements are still needed, the apps demonstrate strong potential for integration into the curriculum and the future commercialization. This project is collaboration between Universiti Teknikal Malaysia Melaka and Universiti Islam Melaka. Thank you for watching and considering our project. We truly appreciate your time and attention.